Today, take a look at the Thermomaven F1 Turbo. Very nice solid feeling thing. I really like this rubber texture they got on the top, even on the button and all the way around. We got a two-stage probe, so it actually thins down there at the end. And we got that little addition of the bottle opener on the back. It does come with a screwdriver. And we got a single AAA battery in the package. And so I was pressing this button to turn it on, but that doesn't do it. Actually, just by pulling out the probe, that is what turns it on. That is pretty neat. So the button on the top is the lock. If we press that, it will no longer change. Nice having that feature. I also like to see this actually came with a certificate of calibration. So for a test of 212, it got 212, and Celsius 32 is exactly 32. So this is perfectly accurate. It does say on the back it is waterproof up to IP67, so you shouldn't have to worry about getting this wet. And we got a button on here if we want to change this to Celsius. We can just press that. Now in the instructions says the maximum temperature of the probe body is 122 degrees Fahrenheit, so you do not want to just put this in the oven. But it can read -58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, so quite a bit of range. The display is backlit, so if you have to work in the dark, that's not going to be a problem. But the cool thing about it is it actually rotates, so if you have to view this from a different direction, that's not going to be a problem. So chicken should be 165 degrees. And we are at 190. And that reads very fast. And one of the cool things about it, it has a magnet on it as well. So yeah, overall, that is an awesome tool.